What's up? It's David, Midlife Crisis. Out here at the Freedom Factory, Cletus McFarland, Garrett's place. It's my first time out here. I'm out here to see it's my buddy Anthony and his Mustang GT350 driver mod on Instagram and YouTube. So out here for the Spectator Drags. This is going to be pretty cool. It's the first time out here. Can't wait. So check out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you. So I got here a little early and they haven't even opened the gates yet. I guess I read the flyer wrong. Thought the gates opened at 3, but parking opened at 3. So I'm waiting for Anthony to get here. He's not here yet. When he does, check out this sweet ass old school BMW that's got a badass modified engine with turbo on it. So, and you see the front of the Freedom Factory. First time I've ever been here, so didn't know what to expect. Can't wait. Over here we got stock C8. It's a dude with the blue C8. It's got twin turbos. First time I raced at Orlando Speedway, I raced this guy, destroyed me. So this car is sick, dude. If you can see the 2 turbos right there. Sick. There goes Boosted Boys. Check out this McLaren GT right here. I've seen this car before at a few events. So check out this Corvette race car. This thing is really cool. It's really a stock car. It's a street car. They just turned it into a race car. Alright, so tech's done. Now they're lining up for the parade lap. Starts in about 5 minutes. So you see all the cars start this, the starting line. So line up, basically run a parade lap. And then basically get run around the track, throwing a show, and then they're gonna line them up left and right, and then do the first round. First round will be over, losers out. They will have a $100 buyback. That's what Garrett was saying. And they're also gonna do a loser race, so it's gonna be pretty cool. So see, there's Jack Stan. He's in all the videos. There's Sam. He's the old guy that they always have in all the videos. So I'm not sure where George is at. I'm sure George is around here somewhere. So thanks once again to Anthony for hooking me up with the pit paths. It's super sick, bro.
Oh man! Wow! Oh, he might come back. He's sandbagged. Here he comes.
Ford Taurus. Now that Taurus has a stage 3 turbo with a 2 cold air intake, but it is not going to be enough against Sparks coming off.
Okay, yeah, it's rolling through that turn pretty good.
Oh my gosh, that is.
He said, yeah, brother, look at my mullet. 3rd gen, taking the W. Let's go. Here we go.
4 wide.
Oh, clean Ultima start.
Yes. The Mustang guy has one hand out the window. Real cocky there, the silver.
Oh! Oh my God.
Wins it. That was the only guy I wanted to beat.
All right.
right, you can go home a happy man now. We got the Taurus versus the Model S. The Model S with the insane off-the-line speed. We all know the launch on those Tesla as he walks it. Oh, a little sideways at the Tesla. Hangs on to it.
There's Boosted Boys. He had some technical difficulties in his last race. So there's Garrett over there. Garrett's, like I said, running against Anthony here in the next round. So Anthony's got a tough race.
Is he giving him a car link? I think he is. Here it is. I think he just jumped him a little bit.